This segment is sponsored by the Docket Law magazine. LaHood Norton Law Group is an experienced team of former prosecutors now defending the accused to protect their innocence. No matter how big or small the case may be, this team can help. Here to tell us more is Nico LaHood with LaHood Norton Law Group. How you doing?
I'm great. I'm blessed, Daddy. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. So let's talk about your new law firm.
Sure.
You know, as far as cases, how does this work and what should people do when it comes to maybe being on that other side of the law?
Okay, well, obviously, if anybody is ever arrested or accused of a crime, we always advise not to speak on your own behalf. Don't be your own litigator. Everybody thinks they can do a better job for themselves, and they usually could misspeak or say something they maybe shouldn't speak. So seek legal advice, an attorney. For us, we handle anything, any type of case where someone can be accused of a crime where they can actually face jail time, imprisonment, any type of arrest, anything that someone can be arrested for, from a misdemeanor state case to a felony case in state court or a federal case. We handle federal cases as well. So anything that someone's liberty be taken away from them or they can be arrested for, we handle.
So no matter the case, and if there's something that you can't handle, you're okay with saying, hey, look, this isn't our thing.
Well, you know what, we have to make sure it's the right fit. Anything when it comes to criminal law, federal or state, we can handle. We have a very experienced group. There's 4 lawyers in our firm, and we've all been former high-level prosecutors, so we can handle pretty much any, even appeals and post-conviction work, criminal case. We do have colleagues we work with on civil cases, personal injury, family, and so we have immigration. We work with a group of lawyers, and we have a great working relationship with.
How important is it to hire the right lawyer? Because a lot of the times you'll get a court appointed, which there's nothing wrong, but when it comes down to your freedom, this is something that's really important.
Well, it's critical. You need a lawyer that has character and competence, I always talk about. You want someone that knows what they're doing and then also has the character to be honest with you and to make sure that they're transparent about the representation. And lastly, you need a lawyer that's fearless, or a group of lawyers that's fearless. And so we have the experience in our firm, from myself being being honored to be the former district attorney,
yes,
to Jay Norton being our former felony chief section. Jason Goss was one of the court chiefs, and then Patrick Ballantyne was in the appellate section, and he ran a department that I started, the conviction integrity unit. And 2 of our lawyers are board certified in criminal law, and so together, collectively, there's not much we can't handle. And then we also have the staff and the resources to make sure that we're not outworked by the government, and that's important as well.
Another thing that's very important is that when you consult people, this is free when they first walk in.
Absolutely. If somebody's arrested and they're in a situation, they have a question, they can always come in and talk to us for free. It doesn't cost any money. Then once we've realized that we are the right fit for them and they realize that also and that we want to engage further, then we'll have just a very honest conversation about law fees, about representation fees, expert fees, or whatever it might be. So when someone leaves, they're not confused and they know what to expect.
All right, well, let me give everybody the information that you need. And if you ever do need an attorney, this is where you need to go, LaHoodNorton.com for more information, or give them a call, 210-797-7700, and of course, LaHoodNorton.com. And of course, the Docket Law magazine, it's a new online publication in San Antonio. TheDocketLaw.com is where you need to go. You can also find them on Facebook, the Docket Law magazine. All right, everyone, we'll be